President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, visiting heads of and delegations from various countries and friends of Rwanda and friends of RPF who are here tonight, honorable ministers, senators, members of deputies of the chamber, distinguished guests. Since President Museveni has done all the speaking of Kinyarwanda, I maybe change a little bit to English, if you will. But I most sincerely wanted to thank the President for accepting our invitation and to be with us on this very important occasion for the RPF and for our country, Rwanda. The same goes to all delegations here tonight. The NRM of Uganda, CCM of Tanzania, CNDD, FDD, Burundi, EPRDF of Ethiopia, SPLM, South Sudan, CPC of China, Lesotho Congress for Democracy, Lesotho, EPLF, Eritrea. I have the pleasure tonight to be speaking to you. I have two hats on. One is the president of my country. The other is the chairman of my party, the RPF. Let me focus a little bit on the chairman's side. But at the same time, I mix it with the saying, allow me, on behalf of the government and the people of Rwanda, and on my own behalf and that of the entire leadership of the RPF, to welcome you most sincerely, the President and the delegations I have already mentioned. So that for joining us so that we can celebrate the Silver Jubilee of the Rwandese Patriotic Front. By the same token, I extend a hearty welcome to many individuals here, as I mentioned, from UK, from Belgium, from United States, again from China, from Israel, from South Africa, and from many other parts of the world who have come to be with us because of their friendship and the links with this country, but also in particular with the RPF. Mr. President, as a friend of our country and as one of us, a close neighbor, the Rwandan people are always very happy to welcome you and to draw from your wide-ranging wisdom. The young girl there was asking whether she will be elected. I think President Museveni has been for many years one, and that is exemplified by what he was talking to us a while ago, that he's been part of addressing for very many years some of the bottlenecks that the President was talking about. And thank you for the reflections that you have shared with us on the liberation struggles of Uganda and Rwanda are very closely connected, and indeed we share similar experiences. Let me say, without first consulting you, Mr. President, that as we celebrate our 25th birthday as RPF, because of that very close connection, we feel that you should be really a very senior honorary member of RPF. And we see this with a deep sense of having had the opportunity to be connected with the struggle in Uganda, and having been in some way members of your own party when we were associated with you in the struggle in Uganda. This RPF, whose silver jubilee we are celebrating, was conceived in the minds of Rwandans wherever they were, scattered in the world. However, the experience received by those who participated in your own movement played an instrumental, very instrumental role in that as we began the Rwandan liberation struggle. So, Your Excellency, we are indeed very happy for this, that our own leaders, our own cadres drew a lot of experience from yourself personally and from their brothers and sisters in Uganda. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this occasion takes place in a context that calls for greater unity, collaboration, and solidarity of the African people. And the President has already and very eloquently explained to us how the people of Africa are really one. They are not as many and as different as many times that is said to be. Our generation has the duty to create the necessary conditions for our social and economic development and ensure that this continent is placed at a level where its voice commands respect among other nations of the world. We owe it to our people, and we cannot afford to fail. And the Rwandese Patriotic Front, like many of the political movements represented here, as I mentioned, has set itself the important task of delivering on the expectations of our people and ready to work with the rest of the continent in our interconnectedness and very strong partnership. Our movement is also too happy to work with, is very happy to work with you all in that endeavor so that we can all together realize shared success and prosperity. It is now my great pleasure to invite you all to join me in a toast to the good health of President Yoweri Museveni, to the heads of delegations and members of delegations here visiting with us, and to all the cadres of RPF and senior leaders of our government, and the friendship and prosperity of our people. I thank you very much.